It's me, Jacksonian, if you forgot. Yeah, weird. And welcome back to Heavy Rain. If you're not pronouncing that correctly, it's Heavy Rain. Yeah, it's actually German for something. I don't know what. Also, I'm eating popcorn. BT dubs. Welcome to episode 3. Or part 3, whatever. You know me. No, you don't. You don't know me. Let's recap. Sean is missing. Cry. Wah. Miss him so much. Ethan has some serious issues in the head. 3 a.m. again. I know. I'm sorry. And we're continuing with Welcome Norman. And we could hear the music in the background, obviously. Alright. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Damn. Who knew? Hey, look. It's that guy. Wham. Sorry, I had to clean off. Damn, someone's under arrest. Jesus. Oh, I'm stupid. I thought it was gonna be... Sorry. So it's 1 inch of rain, not...
God, I'm bored. I hate having nothing to do.
Oh.
Let's get the formalities out of the way so I can get back to some real work. I could go for a little Larry time right about now.
I don't know what that means.
I gotta see Captain Perry. Orders are orders.
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
Okay. Oh, is that... Oh, it is. I don't know what it's called, that. I'm gonna watch baseball? Oh. Whoa. Come on, man. The FBI should release this to the public. I want this. People think I'm crazy, man. Really cool. I like that.
I'm off, Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. I'll cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain. Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting you. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you mind tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting started, but perhaps there's a better time.
No, it's fine. We just have to get to the press conference. We have them every day now.
Oh.
Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell them. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get on well together. Do you know how to tie a knot in a necktie?
I guess.
To be frank with you, I could have done without the FBI on this one, but the press are all over us. This origami killer case crept up on us, and it's fast becoming a national concern. There are hundreds of killers in this country, but what do you know? This guy is exotic. He uses flowers and origami figures. Work that one out, and the press get onto it, and we suddenly become the center of the universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer. With all due respect, sir, the rest of it, it's none of my business.
No, of course not. All I'm asking is that you make progress, and fast. The press want a perpetrator, and we're gonna have to serve him up on a silver platter. Not bad.
Okay, thanks. You know, I am a professional.
Oh, go see Charlene. She'll show you to your office. Check in on the press conference if you're interested. It'll give you an idea of the political climate around here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to the club, Jaden.
Thank you.
Captain Perry is doing his press conference now. Might be interesting to have a look.
Sorry.
I saw Blake when I arrived. Maybe I should go talk to him. I'll have a look around the station. Stretch my legs for a bit. I'm dying of thirst. Where's the water cooler when you need one? I should get Perry's assistant to show me my office. I can't wait to get to work. Strange character, Captain Perry. Seems to be more interested in meeting the press than investigating the crime.
6:30 a.m. 5 days after he was reported missing. An autopsy will be conducted tomorrow to determine the exact cause of death. But going from first indications, it would seem that he drowned.
Okay.
The state in which the body was found suggests the methodology of the origami killer. The investigation should confirm this in the coming days.
Sorry, I had to fix my hair.
Police continuing to work around the clock to find the murderer as quickly as possible. I'll field some questions. Yes.
You said the methodology indicated another victim for the origami killer. Can you be more specific?
An origami figure was found in the victim's hand, and an orchid was placed on his chest.
Okay.
His face was covered with mud, but there were no visible traces of violence to the body. Go ahead.
The Zodiac Killer
sorry.
was never identified. Perhaps the origami killer will never
Actually,
be
the
found
Zodiac
either.
Killer is now identified.
I don't think there's
Crazy,
much chance
right?
of that. For the moment, the killer may think he's invulnerable, but in the end he'll make a mistake and we'll be
Yummy
there to
popcorn.
arrest him. Yes?
Did the killer leave any written evidence? Perhaps a ransom note explaining his actions?
That
or
sounds like
anything like
Connor.
that?
No. He
I
has
have
not
the
made
androids
contact
in
in
my
any
side
way,
now.
and we have only the murders to help us understand his motives. Yes. What's the question?
Some people are saying that the police were slow to take an interest in these murders because the victims lived in poorer parts of the city. What do you say to that?
That's absurd. The police make no distinctions between victims based on their social class.
Oh.
It is true that the origami killer seems to choose his victims from the more impoverished parts of town. The higher crime rate in these areas makes the investigation more difficult. Time for a couple more. Yes.
There are rumors that the FBI has sent a profiler to help with the investigation. Is that true?
You seem to be well informed. Yes, we asked the FBI to send us a profiler to help us with this investigation. We were planning to announce this in the next few days, but it seems that won't be necessary.
According to certain
Can I raise
sources,
my
the
hand
town hall's been
and be like,
applying pressure
"It
to
was
avoid any
me.
mention
I'm
of
the
the serial killer
FBI
in order not to have an
profiler."
adverse effect on the mayor's election campaign. Do you have anything to say about that?
Pure speculation. At no time has the mayor been involved in this investigation, except to support the efforts of the police force, of course. Thank you for your cooperation.
One question, please, sir. One last question.
Captain Perry, one more question, please.
Okay. I've learned a little bit. Excuse me. Oh, I walked into the wall. That's very embarrassing. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to, I promise. There's the water.
I'm ready to start. Maybe we should kick off by talking about the case?
Crap.
I have some work to finish here. Let's talk about that later if you don't mind.
Okay. No problem. Just let me know when you're available.
This investigation is starting to give me the creeps. Get a hold of yourself, man.
The very last one. Can I donate? Or it's
Nice watch.
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the past 20 years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
okay.
Congratulate Larry on my behalf.
I'll be sure to do that, sir.
Captain Perry said you could show me to my office.
Yes, of course. Follow me.
I like our outfit. Purple is very nice. Where'd she go? Crap, I lost her.
Agent Jaden, are you coming?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know it. Okay, it's freaking out on me. Oh,
This is my office?
so I get a prison cell.
That's where I was told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
Awesome sauce.
Okay, time to work.
I love silence. Oh no, are we doing some actual investigation stuff, man? Shit's crazy. What? Whoa.
Step 1. Change the office.
Do you guys think? Wait, how do I select it? Oh. Mars. Okay, wait. Oh, that's cool. Okay, what's fall? Okay. Nice. It's the only one that gives me a floor. Very pretty. And then let me guess, this one's me in the sky? Or... Oh. I could not handle this. I'm doing water. Wow, pretty.
Well, well. Looks like there's something new. No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
Okay. Symbol of innocence.
A common species. That doesn't help much.
What is that?
Airy comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Crap. Oh, the plant. I can see where the orchids come from. I could be oh. Oh. Wait, did I investigate with... Okay.
The orchid is a common species. It can be found at any flower shop. Just one origami store in town.
Sorry. Is there one? No, there's not a flower. Okay. Okay.
8 victims in the last 3 years. All boys, aged between 9 and 13.
What?
No signs of violence. The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight. No one notices anything.
Uh-oh. Sean.
Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later. Drowned. In rainwater. There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found.
Okay.
And all the victims disappeared in the fall. The killer has a large comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base.
Okay.
This won't make the geoprofiling any easier. Always the same ritual.
Okay.
An origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found.
Weird.
Which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned. Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
This is crazy. Okay. Alright.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
you, bro?
I better go wash my face. I need to take some. I'm gonna faint if I resist.
Am I in withdrawal?
That's all right. I know I can make it. I know I can make it.
No.
Is everything all right, son?
No one must see.
Ethan? Oh.
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marshall. Could you please tell him what happened?
It was this afternoon. I went to the park with my son, Sean. We played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses, and when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
It must have been about...
It was like... Yeah, it was like
4:15. Yeah, that's it, 4:15. I remember exactly because I looked at the clock in the park when we arrived.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was wearing a coat.
It was...
A black coat.
I didn't...
And a pair of pants.
Brown, I guess.
Brown pants.
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
I went for a short walk around the park, just for a few minutes. When I got back, the carousel had stopped, and Sean wasn't there.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
I don't know. I panicked. I didn't know what to do.
Did Sean have any particular difficulties, Mr. Mars? Anything that might have caused him to run away?
Sean is a sensitive child. Our relationship has been a little difficult recently.
Everything okay at school? Any particular problems between you and your wife?
My wife and I have been separated for the last 6 months.
Oh, sorry.
But Sean would not have gone off without telling his mother or me.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Darn it.
Do you think the origami killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple hours.
But what if it is the origami killer?
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
Strange. Oh.
Did they find something?
No, nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they think it's the origami killer?
It's still too early to say, but it is a possibility.
What happened, Ethan? How could you lose Sean like that? You should never have taken your eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park? Why did you leave him, Ethan? Why? Wasn't it enough losing Jason? I'm sorry. It's not what I meant to say. I miss him so
God. Hey, you know, the best thing... The best thing is that I remembered the time, you know, because that's very important. Not the coat or the pants, but hey, man. Come on, everything else is important. And I told the truth about my wife.
Good evening.
Good evening to you, sir.
Should I? Do you think?
Can I help you, sir?
Well, I hope so. My name's Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective.
Scott Shelby.
I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
My son is dead, Mr. Shelby. I have nothing more to say.
The killer has kidnapped another victim. A 10-year-old boy. Like your son, Risa, I have 4 days before we find his body on a deserted stretch of wasteland.
No one did anything to save my son. Now, please, to move along, sir.
I also lost someone I loved. I know what you're feeling.
Then you will understand that I do not wish to talk about it.
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
In the back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
Thanks. Uh-oh. 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 Whoa. Scott, do you...
Good evening, sir. Are you looking for something in particular?
Give me what you got in the register. Don't fucking try anything.
Is this gonna happen every
Open the
time I
register,
play
you
as
dumb
Scott?
fuck. Put the money on the counter. Shit, are you deaf or what? Are you gonna open that fucking register or not?
No, sir.
I know which aisle I'm
You
not
do not
going
have the
in.
right to steal that money from me. I have worked very hard to earn it. You cannot have it.
What did you say? You're out of your fucking mind, man. Hey, you! Come here! I said come here now!
Shit.
Don't move! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot!
Look, it's not worth it. Put the gun down and just walk away.
You giving me advice? I'll give you some fucking advice.
Don't panic. Let's just stay calm. Nobody here wants to hurt you.
We're all just gonna be cool, and everything will be all right.
Yeah. I'm cool, man. Everything's gonna be all fucking right.
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
Do you have anyone you care for in your life? A girlfriend, maybe? A family?
Yeah. A little girl. I got a little girl.
Oh.
Her name is Jessica.
What would Jessica think if she saw you here? Ask yourself, what would happen to her if things go wrong? You haven't done anything serious yet. If you put the gun away, we'll forget about what just happened, and that will be the end of it. Just walk away.
Nothing serious. Shit, man! What the fuck do you think I'm doing here?
You don't really want to shoot anybody, do you? I'm sure we can find a way out of this mess, right?
Nice try. For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit. And now...
Kill. Oh.
Thousand thank you, sir. I don't know what would have happened if you had not been here.
At least I didn't come by for nothing. Have a nice day.
When my boy, Reza, disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means.
Man,
but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
Can I?
Please, take the box if it can be of any use to you at all. It did not help me to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
Okay. Thanks so much. Ugh.
Mr. Shelby, I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place. I can see now that I was wrong.
What are we gonna do about the man on the floor? The robber, the thief, the scoundrel. Nothing? Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Oh. What the? Who's this? Is this the wife? Do I get to play as a girl for once in this entire game? Holy crap. Finally, man. Jesus. Hey. 2:44 a.m. Oh. That was half an hour ago. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. This is Sigourney Weaver. Oh, she's a little... Oh. She's sleeping. Leave her alone. I like her couch. Looks very comfortable. Jesus. What time is it? 2:44. Right, I forgot. I'm a little stupid. She's so real. Okay, wait, no. I'm not gonna go sit just straight back down. Oh my god. I love this apartment. Girly Pop, can I be you? Please? Please? I wonder who she is. Who do you guys think she is? Comment down in the comments below, guys. Okay. Sorry, I thought that was wine. I thought she was just drinking wine straight out the bottle. Uh-oh. Get the fuck out of my fucking studio apartment! Can I grab a knife? Who the fuck is over here, man? Oh, no one? Okay. I guess it's no one. I guess I'm completely fine. And again, you have a sign outside of your room? I'm so jealous. Okay, I don't like the fact that you don't have curtains, but you know, it's a style choice. And love this shot, by the way. That should be in a movie. You know, I wish they made movies about games more. Like, they made The Last of Us show, which is like, okay, sure, why not? But I feel like since, like Heavy Rain, I think that could be a movie, right? Or it's too long for a movie. It could be a show. It could be a movie. I'd say it could be a movie. Because, like, you just shorten down some parts of it, and it's like, oh, now we're done. Am I going to sleep now, or... You have a bed with a window behind it. Oh. Is that a cat? A little cat, like, you know how they have collars with the little jingle bells? My cat has that. Love her for that, even though she scratched up my arm today. Sigh, whatever. Oh. No. Yawn. Ding. Oh god. I hope it's nothing bad when I go back to my bed. Oh. Oh, I can't sleep. Okay, awesome. That's awesome. And do I have to, like, somehow stop these lights? I don't get what's happening. It's very ominous. Oh my god. Delish. I bet it's... You know? I think she's a coffee person. No. Maybe if I hear her voice, then it'll determine. But I feel like actually she's a tea person. Imagine we never hear this lady talk in the... What the hell? Am I hallucinating? This is not fair. Now that I heard her gasp, I think she's a coffee person. Anyways. I'm not even going to say anything. It's an old game. I'm going to leave it alone. Good old game. Hello? I don't get it. What do you want me to do? Do you want to just walk around my apartment and do random stuff the entire time? Because I want to sleep. It looks like I'm tired. Right? Like I keep yawning over and over. But it's like, nope, you're not tired. Okay, what the hell? This is not fair. Stop! How can you see no one in this house?
There's someone here.
Yes.
There's someone in the apartment.
She's
the phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance.
Come on, I'm not dying to this asshole. There's two of them? That's not fair. Oh crap. Come on. Ow. Oh, you've gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Okay. Well, now everyone, you know what time it is. Because it's past... It's a little past 3 a.m. So, wait, let me pause. First off, love that lady so much. Scott Shelby, another fantastic appearance. I love you, dude. Literally, you're one of my favorite characters so far. Ethan, not so much. Ethan, you black out, and also you're the origami killer. I think. I have no idea. You wake up with an origami in your right. Is he gonna die? Is he gonna be the oldest victim of the origami? No idea. Anyways, Sean, miss you, homie. whatever, Norman, Jaden Norman, bro, get off that trip row, bro. Literally. Rock on. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of, fuck. Sorry. Heavy Rain. Heavy Rain. Loved it so much. I hope you loved it as well. Anyways, hope to see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah. 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 Jacksonian. Out.